All right, so the last time that you guys saw me, you would know that we did a full suspension overhaul on this entire car. I'm not gonna lie though, I've already drifted it twice without filming it. I'm sorry. But not really, because I just wanted to enjoy it for myself. Now, this past month at work has been incredibly busy, and I haven't had much time off the clock to do anything else besides just regular life stuff. So any chance I do get to decompress, this is what I resort to. I enjoy street driving this thing just as much as I do drifting it. And since we've been so busy this last month, we haven't had as much of a chance to go actually drift it. So I've been street driving it a lot. And I thought I might as well just bring you guys along and try and capture some of my after work cruises. So I took my cameras, I bought some magic arms so I could try and place them in some weird, fun places, and I made a little edit. So enjoy. Pretty much everything that we do at work is run and gun, and so sometimes it's really nice to slow down and get a little bit more creative with what I do. But not every single video has to be that fast-paced TikTok brain where it's just cut, 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 cut. I still personally enjoy the raw cut stuff. I also wanted to include some just raw driving clips of driving the car around. I've never really done anything like this, but I have really been enjoying some just like ASMR style videos where it really does feel like you're in the car of the person that's driving. And yes, I could get like meta glasses or whatever, but the camera quality isn't the greatest. You can't crop it horizontally, landscape-wise. The mic is terrible, so there's a bunch of different ways to go about it. I know already that I want some new camera and some microphone equipment for the next time that I do try something like this, but I hope that you guys still enjoyed the little bit of content I was able to cook up during the busiest month of the year. So thanks for watching and enjoy.